Apple is planning to launch low-cost Apple TV this year. Apple could be planning to launch a new lower-cost Apple TV, according to recent rumor. Look at this render here. It's like a tiny little stick, reminiscent of like Roku or Amazon Chromecast. Shout out, Paul. Thank you. Reputable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently said that Apple is planning to launch a new version of the Apple TV as soon as the second half of 2022. The new Apple TV will reportedly have an improved cost structure, suggesting that the device could have a lower price to be more competitive with other streaming media players like Google's Chromecast, Amazon's Fire TV, and Roku devices, which seems like a good idea because when it comes to Apple, they have so many ways to make money from you once they get you into the sphere, into their sphere. And why make it cost prohibitive to get your entry point? Like the Apple TV is probably the easiest entry into Apple's world, price-wise.
Like it's just software. If they can get the hardware to be pretty cheap, like a Chromecast or something, and then, just plug and play.
Shout out Adam. Yeah, if you're going to make more money off selling things via iTunes and subscription fees and everything else, by the time, even if you give the person the device for $50, other companies figured this out and everybody started selling these low-cost ones. And Apple, I guess, is kind of missing out on that part of the market.
Yes.
Quo's rumor may suggest that the low-cost Apple TV project is not dead after all. Released in April 2021, the current Apple TV 4K is $179 with 32 gigs of storage and $199 with 64. It's a lot of money.
That's expensive.
It's a lot of money. Chromecast and Roku streaming sticks are available under $50 and many other options under $100. Now, the way these work are a little bit different, but the idea being you can get streaming on your TV. There's a lot of different ways to do it now. And many of them are really affordable. And you can spend all of that extra cash on content or whatever else. And Apple's missing out on that part of the market. And here's a really easy way for them to get engaged with that part of the market. Just do a low-cost version, take away a couple features. And
how much would it cost, though, you think?
Well, $99.
$99? I still think that's really expensive.
Yeah, but they're coming down from $179.
Yeah. Does it come with the remote?
Well, it says right there's a precedent for a sub-$100 Apple TV. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I think it does come with a remote. Yeah. And I don't know if they could get it to like, if they really want to lean into services and fitness plus and TV plus and everything, if they really want to lean into subscriptions, then sell it for $50 and sell a ton of them.
Yeah.
But I don't think they're going to do that, but there's definitely an argument for it.